Alright, I haven't seen many videos on YouTube about this. This is an Ed Brown Cobra, 5-inch. It has been safety checked, no magazine. I've already got the grips taken off of it. Surely you can figure that out, how to do that, so. Not bad. I ain't working with much here. First off, pull the hammer back. Turn your barrel bushing. This is an Ed Brown, so it is pretty dang stiff. Pull that out. Pull that off. Turn your barrel bushing back this way. Pull that baby out. It's tight. Bring your slide back to that groove. Yes, she is dirty. I just got back from the range. Pull your slide stop out. Comes right off. I apologize about the lighting. I am in a hotel, bored, working on the road. Pull your barrel out. Okay. Next, let's take your slide apart. You're going to want to push that in, your firing pin, and slide your firing pin stop up. I'm just using this. Push it in, your firing pin, slide stop. Pull it up, and your firing pin will go flying across the room, just like mine did. That's awesome. Alrighty. Here she is. Take this off. A lot of people don't break their 1911s down all the ways. Whatever floats your boat, but as you can see, one range trip, and she is pretty nasty. Okay, your extractor is still in there. As you can see, right here, the black thing. Get that, and just pry that baby up. There she is. Slide, broke down, and she will be dirty, I assure you. Let me get a Q-tip here, and I'll show you. Ooh. One range strip. That's why it's important to clean that. Hell, a lot of folks will go the whole life of their 1911 without cleaning it. That's insanity in my opinion. I use ballast all. We can argue all day long about what's good and what's not. It's just what I like. Get a little ballast all running through your veins, you feel like a brand new man. Set that off, let her soak. Spray everything down. Real nice like. She is dirty. I tried out the new Winchester 1911 ammo today because it was on sale. It shot pretty good. I mean, for the price of it, I mean, I wouldn't pay full retail. I just seen it on sale, so I jumped on it. Alright. Let's go to frame. Okay. This safety has to be in the middle. And it's going to be kind of weird, but put her in the middle and pop it out. Pull out, wiggle it, and it comes out. This spring will fly out, so be careful with that. Luckily mine didn't. There she is, dirty. Okay. Now, take our mainspring out. You always want to let your trigger up. Don't let it slap, because it can damage your frame right here. Let her up slow. Okay. Now get you some, if you want to punch, I have one at home. Unfortunately, I'm not home. So I'm going to use that and tap it out. See your pin? You're going to tap that down. See how it has the indentation? Tap that way out. The other side sticks out. Don't try to beat it in that way. Your old gun will be foobarred. Okay. Halfway out. Push this down. And jerk her out of there. Can be kind of tough to get her out. There's your pin. The hole. This, pull her out. There she is. That's your mainspring housing. That right there can be removed. It's under tension. There is a spring in there. See that? Just push this down and poke it out, and that will come out. I'll go ahead and do that. Then your hammer will come out. There's your hammer. Your sear spring is out as well. I'm going to go ahead and take this out to show you. It's kind of a pain, but nothing that a two-stepper can't handle. I'm going to use this to poke that baby out. Put this in here, push down, poke that out. Looky there. There's your little bitty pin. There it is. Spray all that down with Ballistol or whatever cleaning solution you use. Righty. Go ahead and break the rest of the frame down. Okay, you got your hammer. There's a pin right there. Push from this side. Push that little pin. Look at there. Boom. Comes right out. Got it? There's another little pin right here. Push it. Grab it with your fingernail. And your sear and disconnector will come out. Ho! Alright. Now, we're almost completely taken apart. Your mag release. It has a deal for a flathead screwdriver. Let's find that. Let's for that. My fiance's texting me. My bad. Okay. Push your mag release in. Put your flathead in. Turn that baby, and boom, there she is. This is under spring tension as well. Turn that until it pops out. Look at there. Spray all that down. Okay, now your trigger will come out. Latte da. Now your gun 1911 is completely stripped. Time to do some cleaning. Probably gonna take me a while to clean, so I will clean her, and then when I'm done, I'll post a video of putting her back together.